Why proper pull-up form matters.
Pull-ups are one of the best exercises for building a strong back and upper body. However, using the correct technique is crucial. Proper form helps you maximize muscle engagement and reduces the risk of strain or injury. Whether you're new to pull-ups or looking to improve, following essential guidelines makes your workouts safer and more effective.
Getting the right grip.
Begin by gripping the pull-up bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Use an overhand grip with your palms facing away from you. Wrap your thumbs around the bar for a secure hold. Avoid gripping too wide or too narrow, as this can strain your wrists and shoulders and affect your pull-up performance.
Optimal body positioning.
Hang from the bar with your arms fully extended and your shoulders pulled back and down. Engage your core muscles to keep your body straight, avoiding excessive swinging or arching. Cross your feet behind you or keep your legs together and straight. This helps you maintain stability, recruit the right muscles, and avoid unnecessary stress on your lower back.
Performing a safe pull-up.
Initiate the movement by pulling your chest upward toward the bar, not just your chin. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together and using your back muscles rather than relying on your arms alone. Pause briefly at the top, then lower yourself in a controlled motion back to the starting position. Avoid jerky movements or half reps to prevent injuries.
Tips to prevent injury and improve.
Warm up your shoulders and upper back before starting pull-ups. Progress gradually. If you can't complete a full pull-up yet, use resistance bands or assist machines until you build strength. Prioritize quality over quantity, and stop if you feel pain instead of muscle fatigue. Consistent practice with good form will help you achieve stronger, safer pull-ups.